Salamat lang ako sa'yo kasi ang taas mo yung lalo ako.
Yeah, okay. Alright, anyway. You know, Alex is fast to co-host with us tonight. Pero mga kaibigan, hindi mo niya alam to, but is it alright if we can ask her to sing a song for us? Okay naman sa'yo?
Why not? Why not?
Alex, you don't mind?
If you don't mind.
No, bakit? You guys wanna hear Alex sing?
Yeah!
Hindi na yata, wala pa kayo mga kamay.
Meron.
Alex is, I think one of the few that do know.
Thank you, Gusto ko po, sumayaw kayo kasama ko, ha?
Let's give it up for Miss Alex!